सबको जोहार। मेरा नाम है पंचमी देवी। हम लोग 2015-16 से हम लोग खेती बाड़ी करते आ रहे हैं। जिससे हम लोग साल में 3 सीजन का खेती करते हैं, जिसमें हम लोग सब्जी का भी खेती करते हैं और धान का भी करते हैं, मकई का भी करते हैं और मड़ुआ का भी करते हैं। जैसे कि खेती बाड़ी में हम लोग का परेशानी होता है, जैसे पानी का मतलब दिख रहा है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बीमारी हो रहा है और समय में बारिश नहीं हो रहा है। और इस साल तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हुआ था, बहुत सारा ऐसा चेंजेस दिखने में आ रहा है। गर्मी का सीजन में पानी का कमी हो जाता है, तो उसमें हम लोग का ज़्यादा परेशानी होता है।
So the availability of water, the temperature range is increasing a bit year on year. So all those things are impacting. So the farmers are facing the hardship of that on themselves, but also in the farm. My name is Ravi Gupta. I'm a manager at Climate and Carbon Team at Intellicap, India. We work with the farmers directly, indirectly since last 10 years. The state government come up with a scheme called NREGA, and they thought of supporting farmers with kind of fruit trees in their plots, in the individual plot of a small land holding, so that the farmer can reap the benefit of fruits by selling fruits. They can get additional income, and then they can live and sustain in their own very place. When we understood about Econ, and we realized that this can bring in significant impact. And here, when the initial kind of support for sapling and other plantation is provided with the government, we understood that Econ is bringing this kind of additionality, because one thing is the technology, where Econ have kind of developed this technology which can monitor the growth of the trees and can look at the biomass. So that is one of the unique concept which which is not seen here in India. Most of the plantation projects are range from 3 to 5 years, and post that there is no monitoring happening for those projects. Second is the pass on of benefit to the farmers. So this is one of the unique feature which we realize which Econ passes on, which is % of benefit is transferred to the farmers. Carbon income will help them to sustain, take care of the plantation. So apart from challenges like climate challenges, there are also fruit tree faces critical challenges from insect pest management, and termite is one of the thing which is impacting here, which is infesting the plantation and damaging the growth. So the additional income can help farmer to take care of the plantation better.
बेचने के बाद जो हम लोग का कार्बन क्रेडिट जो सर्वे हुआ है, फिर उसमें भी जो इकट्ठा होगा, फिर उसमें हम लोग का पैसा भी मिलेगा। मिलने के बाद जो हम लोग उसमें जो हम लोग आम बागवानी लगाए हैं, लगाने के बाद जो आम का हम लोग का फसल उत्पादन होता ही है, फिर बीच में हम लोग जो खेती करते हैं, कुछ भी लगाते हैं तो उसको भी बेचते हैं, तो हम लोग का अच्छा ये होता है।
This size of project cannot sustain without support from the government. We are also looking forward to scale it in multiple states of India. So we have like TRI. TRI is the best partner to work here, because they have working relationship with the government. They understand the rural ecosystem and also implement projects, multiple projects from the CSR funding. We also have our implementation partners across some other states, and we'll see to scale this partnership between Intellicap and Econ and try to benefit most of the farmers. We know that or we can also seek the support in terms of kind of bringing convergence, so to make it more success. So working with diverse set of communities, with different kind of tribes, tribal people, different sector of community, being it youth, women. So like in Jharkhand, we have significant participation of the women farmers. So that is one good thing, and we realize that women farmers can do better take of plantation because they have better sense of ownership. So they daily come to the field, take care of the plant. So engaging women is critical thing, which we obviously try to replicate in other state. And lastly, the focus on diverse aspect of the project, like how the project can select native species, focuses on biodiversity, engage community as a whole. So these are the learnings which we are gaining from the Jharkhand.
हम लोग तो एक शुरू से हम लोग खेती बाड़ी करते आ ही रहे हैं। साथ में हम लोग बच्चा को भी सिखाते हैं खेती बाड़ी किस तरह से किया जाता है, ताकि जानकारी रखना और बच्चा लोग को भी सिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो हम चाहते हैं कि पढ़ाई के साथ साथ, नौकरी के साथ साथ, बिजनेस के साथ साथ भी हम लोग को खेती बाड़ी करना ज़रूरी है।